1. Knackered. Knackered means extremely tired. Example, I'm absolutely knackered after work. 2. Cheers. Cheers means thank you or goodbye. Example, cheers for helping me today. 3. Mate. Mate means friend. Example, he's my best mate. 4. Bloke. Bloke means a man. Example, that bloke is really funny. 5. Dodgy. Dodgy means suspicious or unsafe. Example, that website looks dodgy. 6. Fancy. Fancy means to like or want something. Example, do you fancy some coffee? 7. Gutted. Gutted means very disappointed. Example, I was gutted when my team lost. 8. Chuffed. Chuffed means very pleased. Example, she was chuffed with her exam results. 9. Gobsmacked. Gobsmacked means extremely surprised. Example, I was gobsmacked by the news. 10. Skint. Skint means having no money. Example, I can't go out, I'm skint. 11. Brolly. Brolly means umbrella. Example, don't forget your brolly. 12. Loo. The loo means the toilet. Example, where's the loo? 13. Peckish. Peckish means slightly hungry. Example, I'm feeling a bit peckish. 14. Rubbish. Rubbish means very bad or nonsense. Example, that movie was rubbish. 15. Kip. Kip means sleep or nap. Example, I'm going for a quick kip. 16. Bugger. Bugger is used when annoyed. Example, oh bugger, I forgot my keys. 17. Bollocks. Bollocks means nonsense. Example, that's complete bollocks. 18. Proper. Proper means very or truly. Example, that was a proper good meal. 19. Brilliant. Brilliant means excellent. Example, your idea is brilliant. 20. Taking the mickey. Taking the mickey means making fun of someone. Example, are you taking the mickey? 21. Fit. Fit means attractive. Example, she's really fit. 22. Naff. Naff means unfashionable or uncool. Example, that shirt looks naff. 23. Quid. Quid means pound sterling. Example, it cost 20 quid. 24. Chinwag. Chinwag means a chat. Example, we had a lovely chinwag. 25. Sorted. Sorted means solved or organized. Example, everything's sorted now. 26. Snog. Snog means to kiss passionately. Example, they were snogging at the party. 27. Cracking. Cracking means really good. Example, that's a cracking idea. 28. Cheeky. Cheeky means playful or slightly rude. Example, he gave me a cheeky smile. 29. Posh. Posh means luxurious or fancy. Example, they stayed in a posh hotel. 30. Uni. Uni means university. Example, she's studying at uni. 31. Bits and bobs. Bits and bobs mean small items. Example, I bought some bits and bobs. 32. Sick. Sick can mean amazing. Example, that car is sick. 33. Waffling. Waffling means talking too much. Example, stop waffling and get to the point. 34. Smashing. Smashing means fantastic. Example, we had a smashing time. 35. Daft. Daft means silly. Example, don't be daft. 36. Minging. Minging means disgusting. Example, that smell is minging. 37. Telly. Telly means television. Example, what's on the telly tonight? 38. Nosh. Nosh means food. Example, let's grab some nosh. 39. Blimey. Blimey expresses surprise. Example, blimey, that's expensive. 40. Plastered. Plastered means very drunk. Example, he got absolutely plastered. 41. Skive. Skive means avoid work or school. Example, he skived off class. 42. Scrummy. Scrummy means delicious. Example, this cake is scrummy. 43. Fiver. A fiver means £5. Example, can you lend me a fiver? 44. Tenner. A tenner means £10. Example, it cost a tenner. 45. Tosh. Tosh means nonsense. Example, what a load of tosh. 46. Numpty. Numpty means a foolish person. Example, don't be such a numpty. 47. Banter. Banter means playful jokes. Example, we had great banter. 48. Gaffer. Gaffer means boss. Example, my gaffer gave me a day off. 49. Chav. Chav refers to someone with flashy style. Example, he dresses like a chav. 50. Jammy. Jammy means lucky. Example, you jammy thing. 51. Kerfuffle. Kerfuffle means a commotion. Example, there was a kerfuffle at the station. 52. Faff. Faff means wasting time. Example, stop faffing around. 53. Gander. Gander means look. Example, have a gander at this. 54. Brew. Brew means tea. Example, fancy a brew. 55. Tosh. Tosh means nonsense. Example, that story is pure tosh. 56. Leg it. Leg it means run away quickly. Example, we legged it to the bus. 57. Chuffed to bits. Chuffed to bits means extremely happy. Example, I'm chuffed to bits for you. 58. Matey. Matey means friendly person. Example, he's quite matey. 59. Off your trolley. Off your trolley means crazy. Example, you must be off your trolley. 60. Nick. Nick means steal. Example, someone nicked my bike. 61. Barmy. Barmy means crazy. Example, that idea sounds balmy. 62. Gob. Gob means mouth. Example, shut your gob. 63. Muppet. Muppet means foolish person. Example, don't act like a muppet. 64. Natter. Natter means casual talk. Example, we had a little natter. 65. Scran. Scran means food. Example, let's get some scran. 66. Wagwan. Wagwan means what's going on. Example, wagwan, mate. 67. Yonks. Yonks means a long time. Example, I haven't seen you in yonks. 68. Zonked. Zonked means exhausted. Example, I'm completely zonked. 69. Dodgy geezer. Dodgy geezer means suspicious man. Example, that dodgy geezer looked nervous. 70. Spend a penny. Spend a penny means use the toilet. Example, I need to spend a penny. 71. Chin up. Chin up means stay positive. Example, chin up, things will improve. 72. Gobby. Gobby means loud and opinionated. Example, she's a bit gobby. 73. Half inch. Half inch means steal. Example, he half-inched my charger. 74. Lovely jubbly. Lovely jubbly means excellent. Example, free tickets. Lovely jubbly. 75. Nitwit. Nitwit means stupid person. Example, don't be a nitwit. 76. Pants. Pants means terrible. Example, that game was pants. 77. Pop round. Pop round means visit briefly. Example, I'll pop round later. 78. Reckon. Reckon means think. Example, I reckon it'll rain. 79. Sussed. Sus means understood. Example, I've sussed it out. 80. Taking ages. Taking ages means very slow. Example, this is taking ages. 81. The bee's knees. The bee's knees means excellent. Example, that cafe is the bee's knees. 82. Tickety-boo. Tickety-boo means everything is fine. Example, everything's tickety-boo. 83. Wonky. Wonky means crooked or unstable. Example, that table is wonky. 84. Yob. Yob means rude person. Example, those yobs were shouting. 85. Ace. Ace means excellent. Example, your new phone is ace. 86. Bonkers. Bonkers means crazy. Example, that sounds bonkers. 87. Cuppa. Cuppa means cup of tea. Example, fancy a cuppa. 88. Dosh. Dosh means money. Example, I need more dosh. 89. Easy peasy. Easy peasy means very easy. Example, the test was easy peasy. 90. Full of beans. Full of beans means energetic. Example, the kids are full of beans. 91. Give us a bell. Give us a bell means call me. Example, give us a bell later. 92. Hunky-dory. Hunky-dory means perfectly fine. Example, everything's hunky-dory. 93. In a tick. In a tick means very soon. Example, I'll be there in a tick. 94. Jolly. Jolly means very. Example, that's jolly good. 95. Lurgy. Lurgy means illness. Example, I've caught the lurgy. 96. Moody cow. Moody cow means bad-tempered woman. Example, she's being a moody cow today. 97. Nip out. Nip out means go somewhere quickly. Example, I'm nipping out. 98. Oi. Oi is used to get attention. Example, oi, come back here. 99. Pucker. Pucker means genuine or excellent. Example, that meal was pucker. 100. Righto. Righto means okay. Example, righto, let's begin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.